is Shereen and I'm one of the creative experts working with Happy Fabric, and today I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to make this cute little Easter bag. Now, Easter is fast approaching and I thought it would be a good idea just to have a quick idea you can make for your little ones, and it's a perfect size for them if they're doing a little Easter egg hunt, a little treasure hunt around the Easter holidays. So stay tuned for more. So for this project today, we're going to need a few items. So I'm going to be using the Happy Fabric vinyl, and I have a series of vinyls here. So I've got the HappyFlex in pastel pink, pastel yellow, pastel blue and black. And I also have the white, which is HappyFlock, and I also have HappyGlitter. You'll also need a small canvas bag, or any tote bag will do. I'm using my Cricut machine, my Cricut Joy, for cutting out the bunnies. And I'll be using my laptop, which is connected to my Cricut Joy, and some scissors and a trusty weeding tool. So today I'm also going to be using the Happy Fabric HappyPress 4. This is the A4 size with the auto open feature. So in order to make the bag, I went into Cricut Design Space, went over to Images, typed in rabbit and found this cute trio of bunnies, and I changed the colour to pastel yellow, pink and blue. Then I went back into Images, typed in Easter and found this happy Easter sign, and what I did is I changed the cross to blue so the Cricut knows to cut it in a different colour, and then I measured my SVGs to ensure that they fit on the bag. Now I'm ready to make it, so you can see it's already connected to my Joy, so I click make it, and it's asked if I want to cut without a mat or on a mat. So I've selected on a mat because I will be cutting down the HappyFlex and the HappyFlock and the HappyGlitter to size to fit on the mat. Click confirm, and Cricut has arranged all the mats into the right colours for the bunny rabbits, as you can see there, and the happy Easter sign. Once you're happy with everything there, it's really important to remember to mirror your cuts. Once you've done that, you can click continue. Once finished, I'll unload my mat. Scroll down, select the next mat, click edit and mirror. So I'm all done with my Cricut, so I can click done and take the final piece off the mat and put with the other pieces, ready for me to start weeding. So now for the fun bit, weeding. Now, some people love this. Me personally, it's not my favourite bit, but there isn't much to do, so hopefully we'll get it done fairly quickly. Just going to use my scissors quickly to cut the designs down to smaller pieces, so it's easier to weed smaller sizes than it is large sizes. Let the fun begin. So I'll look for a little corner and peel away. Now this HappyFlex weeds so beautifully and easy. It's a dream to work with. This is what all the pieces now look like, fully weeded and ready to assemble on our bag. So I'm now going to pre-press for 5 seconds just to get any creases out of the bag and make sure there's no moisture left in the bag. Just going to lift it up, pull the tray out. It's got a really handy tray that pulls out so you don't burn your fingers. I'm just going to pre-press the other side, and again for 5 seconds. So I've laid out the bunnies nicely on the bag in the order that I'd like them to be. And as I said, the HappyPress is set to 150 for 10 seconds. And I like to use a little Teflon sheet to cover my, when I'm doing heat transfer vinyl. Sometimes it just gives a bit of added protection on your fabric. And I'm pressing for 10 seconds. Remove the Teflon sheet and allow it to cool slightly before I get to remove the film, before adding the second layers. Love watching the film come off. Oh, they're super cute. And finally the blue one. And the Happy Easter. Now I'm going to add the HappyFlock for the tails. I'm just going to place them roughly in the centre there. They don't have to be perfect. And I'm also going to use the cross here with the HappyGlitter in blue, placing it in between the S and the E. And then going back in with my Teflon sheet just to protect the vinyl that is already been heat pressed on. Again, pop that in. So now I'm just going to remove the final layer from the bunnies, which is the flock, which is a cooler peel. Just remove that slowly and reveal lovely flock hearts. Bit stuck. They feel lovely and soft. And it's perfect. All done.